Do you want to become a millionaire through the stock market? Imagine the freedom that comes with financial security, the opportunities it opens. The stock market, a bustling hub of trade and commerce, offers a path to such a future. It's a place where fortunes are made, where the ambitious can see their wealth grow exponentially. A market that, with the right knowledge and strategy, could make you a millionaire. If becoming a millionaire through investing sounds like your dream, then stay tuned. Before you can run, you have to learn how to walk. And so it goes with investing. Let's start with the basics. What is a stock? Well, when you buy a stock, you're purchasing a small piece of a company. You become a shareholder, an owner, entitled to a fraction of that company's profits. Now, stocks aren't the only game in town. There are also bonds. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a company or government, and in return, they promise to pay you back with interest. It's a bit like being a bank. But how do you buy stocks or bonds? Through a brokerage account, which is easier to set up than you might think. Starting small is key. Dip your toes in the water, don't dive head first. Gradually increase your investments as you learn and grow more comfortable. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about the stock market, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to dive into some actionable tips. These are the golden nuggets that can help you navigate the stock market more effectively. First and foremost, diversify your investments. You've heard it before, but it bears repeating. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing in a variety of different stocks can help to reduce risk and increase potential returns. It's like a buffet. You wouldn't just pile your plate with mashed potatoes, right? You'd want a little bit of everything to create a balanced meal. The same principle applies to investing. Next, set long-term goals. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You're building wealth for the future, not just for the here and now. Think about what you want your financial situation to look like in 5, 10, or even 20 years, and invest accordingly. On top of that, make it a habit to regularly invest a set amount of money. This strategy, known as dollar cost averaging, can help to smooth out the ups and downs of the stock market. It's like watering a plant. You don't just dump a whole bucket of water on it once and then forget about it, right? You water it little by little, day by day. That's how it grows. Now here's a crucial one. Avoid panic selling. The stock market is a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs. But remember, you're in it for the long haul. Don't let short-term turbulence throw you off course. Keep your eyes on the horizon, not on the immediate bumps in the road. Finally, always do your research before investing. Knowledge is power after all. The more you know about a company and its prospects, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. It's like buying a car. You wouldn't just buy the first one you see, right? You'd compare different models, check reviews, test drive a few. The same due diligence should apply to investing. By following these tips, you're setting yourself up for success in the stock market. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started our journey by painting the picture of the millionaire dream. The allure of financial freedom and the opportunities it brings is a powerful motivator, and the stock market is a tool that can help us reach that dream. We then ventured into the basics of investing. We learned that investing is not just about buying low and selling high. It's about understanding the value of a company, its future potential, and making informed decisions based on that knowledge. This foundational understanding is paramount for any investor looking to build wealth. Our next stop was a deep dive into actionable tips for beginners. We talked about diversification, a way to spread your risk across various types of investments. We stressed the importance of consistency and regular investing, even when the market is down. We also highlighted the power of compound interest, a force that multiplies your wealth over time. Finally, we emphasized the need for a long-term perspective. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term wealth-building tool. It requires patience, resilience, and a commitment to continuous learning. Remember, becoming a millionaire through the stock market isn't an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and a lot of learning. But with these tips, you're well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. And happy